Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about the UV light, disinfecting UV light that can eliminate the coronavirus. And if you're wondering what this is, these two bumps, that's a spider bite. A spider bit me, and then so it went to my eye, and so this eye is smaller. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna share my screen about does UV light kill coronavirus? It's by Healthline. Can UV light kill the new coronavirus? And just before I'm gonna read this website to you, I want you guys to know that it really works, and because we bought some lamps, but just one thing is don't get too close to it. At least stay 15 feet away because it can give you eye cancer and skin cancer, which is not good because some of it, if it's a strong one, it can actually even hurt you. And especially because it's xenon light, Xenon, is in UV, and xenon is radiated, like gamma rays, kind of like how they make the Hulk, kind of like that substance. Ultraviolet light is a type of radiation that has more energy than radio waves or visible light, but less energy than X-rays or gamma rays. So, like I said, the X-rays and gamma rays, ultraviolet light uses the radiation to kill the germs and not the color. But it is more powerful than radio waves and visible light, just like this light there. But it is less energy than X-rays. X-rays are like nuclear of the lights, and gamma rays, it's so powerful they made whole. So ultraviolet is basically like a small purple blue gamma ray or X-ray, however you want to think about it. Like if the gamma ray was ultraviolet, there would be a purple Hulk. That would be funny. But basically, it's a smaller version and weaker version. You can be exposed to UV light via natural sunlight or through human-made sources like tanning beds. And UV light has been used as means to kill germs like bacteria and viruses. You may also have heard of its using for killing SARS-CoV-2, the new coronavirus that causes COVID-19. So the coronavirus right now in this pandemic is actually the second version. The new one, the old one was a long time ago, but the new one called SARS-CoV-2 is actually the one that creates COVID-19. In this article, we'll explore how UV light is used to kill germs, how effective it is at eliminating new coronavirus, and even more. They have UVA light, UVB light, and UVC light. UVA light has the lowest amount of energy. When you're out in the sun, you're mainly being exposed to UVA light. So talking about how weak it is, it's actually still pretty strong because if you go out and you stand under the sun for 1 hour, your skin gets dark. That's kind of like skin cancer. But UVB light is in the middle of the power. A small portion of sunlight contains UVB light. It's the main type of UV light that contributes to sunburns, causing most skin cancers. Just like I said, sunburn, whenever your skin gets super red, it's because of the little bit of UVB light. UVC light is so powerful, it's absorbed in the Earth's ozone, just like right there. And you're not normally exposed to it on a daily basis. However, some human-made sources have a lot of UVC light. And just saying UVA light, the weakest, can even skin age and damage you. And if you're doing something that can, and if UVC light is more powerful than UVB light that can give you skin cancer, just imagine touching it. Just imagine staying with it in the same room for 30 minutes. It will not be good. So let's see. UVC light, UVB light has skin cancer and sunburns. UVA light has skin aging and damage. Let's keep going. What's known about the UVC light in the new coronavirus? sorry guys, let me erase this real quick. Okay, I erased it. Okay, let's keep reading. A recent study in the American Journal of Infection Control investigating UVC light to kill large amounts of new coronavirus in liquid cultures. And it actually kind of works. The UVC light is radiation, and COVID tip sheet right here. Use ultraviolet light to disinfect CT scanners. All of this good stuff you can read. But anyways, it can also kill all of that stuff. But liquid hand sanitizer, UVC light is actually even more than powerful than hand sanitizer. It can, literally. Well, if it's actually powerful enough, UVC light can kill coronavirus. Like, not just one single germ, maybe like a few hundred of them, if it's actually powerful enough. But if it's a weak ultraviolet light, basically a weak one just gives it sunburns to the coronavirus, and a strong UVC light basically disintegrates it. So that's all I'm going to read today. And for part 2, I'm going to post another video for part 2 in about 30 minutes. And yes, thank you everyone for watching UV light destroying coronavirus part 1. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and the notification bell. See you in part 2.